Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, our first unboxing, and we're going to be unboxing the Pulsio Air massage gun. Advanced percussion therapy, as it says on the box. So why am I unboxing this? Well, I've always been interested to see whether massage guns actually work to reduce muscle soreness after exercise. And obviously as you get older you get some more aches and pains, and it's quite interesting to see. I've got tennis elbow at the moment. Massage is meant to help, and it'd be interesting to see whether I can use this to ease that pain, and after a long ride whether I can actually reduce some of the discomfort or DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, you get through exercise and doing weights. So that's why I've got it. Okay, so let's dive in and see what's in the box. Certainly feels pretty heavy. This is the Pulsio Air, which is their smaller massage gun. Okay, so there's a user guide. You can have a look at that later. And the massage gun and 4 different heads. And the heads obviously are for different muscle groups or different amounts of focus. The actual gun itself feels pretty good. Certainly quality product, I would have thought. It feels pretty heavy. I think it's made out of aluminium. Button on the bottom to turn it on and off. Okay, so let's see how it plugs together. Okay, so the gun has a charging port at the bottom there. There is a charging cable in the box, standard, looks like a USB-C charging cable. When you press the button or hold down the button, it comes on. And you can vary the amount of pulsing by pressing the button. There's 4 different zones. As you can see, if I hold it near my mic, it's pretty quiet. That's the lowest setting. Don't know whether you can hear that, we'll see in a minute. And if you hold it, the button down, it goes off. So the various heads are for different body parts. There's a general head, which is this one here. If you push it in quite firmly, that's it, it's just locked in place. And the whole thing does feel a nice solid piece of equipment. I mean, the reason I got this one, and I should say that I haven't been sent this, or I'm not sponsored at all, I purely bought this out of my own money. It seems to have quite good write-ups, so I chose this one. It's quite small, easily carried, and it's meant to be, you know, pretty strong for the size. So press and hold again, and when the blue lights are on the bottom, they give you an indication of how much battery's left. Certainly feels quite strong. And to turn it off, you can either leave it or press the button and it will go off. And these are just friction fits. You just push them in and they lock into place. There's various ones, as I said, for different parts. That's meant to be good for your trapezius muscle if you've got tight neck muscles. Other ones for specific knots in muscles, or from flatter areas like over the shoulder blades and upper back and things like that. So what I'll be doing is using this over the next month or so, and particularly focused on whether it does relieve some muscle aches and pains, or, you know, DOMS after doing heavy exercise or big rides and things like that. I'm obviously in no way expecting it to make me get fitter. It's purely, but if the pros have massages after big rides, I'm hoping that if I give my legs a bit of a massage, that might help, at least help with recuperation, ready for another ride. So in about a month's time, hopefully, after I've come back from the tour, I will do an update video on exactly what I've found with the Pulsio and whether it's actually worked, whether it does, help with muscle tightness and soreness, or if you've got any pulled muscles and things like that. And I'll make another video then. So if you want to see that, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified when those new videos come up. And if you want to see the Tour de France videos we're going to be making over the next week or two, make sure again you subscribe. There's one already up. You can click on that down here to see how we planned to go to the tour. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.